You said, I miss you, girl. I miss you being in my world. Missing someone is irrelevant when you misuse their heart. But then you say you miss me when you tore us apart. How you miss me? You had me and you let me go. So how you miss me? I really wanna know. You had me, you didn't know what to do with me. You couldn't come up to me, my energy. You wouldn't change your plans to be by my side. Whatever you wanted to do, I was there for the ride. You couldn't see all the disappointments I let slide. How you miss me? You had me and you let me go. So how you miss me? I really wanna know. I really wanna know. I really wanna know how you miss me. Cause all I can see, you had the chance to return the energy I gave you, but that is something you didn't do. You had the chance to plan dates and happy times together, but you were too busy, so blame it on the weather. You had the chance to send me text messages every day, but you complained when I sent you love in every way. You had the chance to talk about our future dreams, but you sent me no texts, no flowers or loving memes. You had me, you didn't know what to do with me. You couldn't come up and need my energy. You wouldn't change your plans to be by my side. Whatever you wanted to do, I was there for the ride. You couldn't see all the disappointments I let slide. How you miss me? You had me and you let me go. So how you miss me? I really wanna know. You hate, you hate, you hate, you hate. I really wanna know. You had the chance to grow with me. I made the space, but you never had time for me. Not even warm embrace. Everything I asked to do, spend time, you couldn't. You erased plans we had. It made me sad. I felt bad, but I kept trying. Even when I was dying inside, you wouldn't put your pride aside. You made no sacrifices for our relationship to grow. Every time I asked you to stay, you kept walking out that door. So how you miss me? I just can't see. What do you miss about me? You miss the times that I overgave to help you be all you wanted to be. You miss me, sacrificing everything for you. Why you gave nothing back, just did whatever you wanted to do. You miss being selfish and all about your wants and needs. Miss me asking you 100 times to spend time with me. Please, 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 please. How you miss me? I don't understand. We never had a real plan to grow, be, or do. So now, miss me with that tired refrain. Miss me with your phone call, trying to make me the blame. Miss me with your circle back.